Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. The latest table lamp designs encompass a wide range of styles and functionalities, catering to both aesthetic and practical needs. One notable trend is the resurgence of the classic student lamp design, which has been given a modern twist. These lamps features a timeless, elegant look with their slender, adjustable metal or brass stems and upper glass shades. They are not only perfect for providing focused task lighting for reading and studying, but also add a touch of vintage charm to contemporary home decor. In terms of home decor, these lamps are versatile and adaptable, fitting seamlessly into various design themes from traditional to industrial to minimalist. Some designs incorporate advanced technology, allowing for dimmable or color changing LED bulbs, enhancing both ambience and energy efficiency. Furthermore, wireless charging capabilities and USB port are often integrated into the lamp base, making it a practical choice for modern living spaces. The student lamp designs are a treatment to the fusion of classic aesthetics with contemporary functionality, providing that timeless style and innovation can coexist harmoniously in the world of home decor and interior designs. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Design channel.